हेलो दोस्तों, वेलकम टू मैथ्स का तांडव। दिस इज द सेकंड लेक्चर ऑफ क्लास 10th मैथमेटिक्स of chapter real numbers. In this video we will discuss about our first topic of real numbers. And the first topic of real number is Euclid's division lemma. A person named Euclid who gave us a formula of division, एक व्यक्ति जिनका नाम यूक्लिड था, उन्होंने हमें विभाजन का एक सूत्र दिया। You must have read this formula in previous classes. आपने पहले की कक्षाओं में भी इसे पढ़ा होगा। And the formula is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Dividend निकालने के लिए हमें divisor और quotient को गुना करके उसमें remainder जोड़ना होगा। Euclid also gave a trick to find HCF. When you are a child, you also have studied this trick. For example, when you have to find HCF of 132 and 320, then step 1, divide 320 from 132. Here 132 is the divisor, 320 is the dividend, 2 is the quotient and 56 is the remainder. Step 2, divide divisor from remainder. Here 132 is the divisor which becomes the dividend of 56 remainder. Step 3, keep doing step 2 until the remainder becomes 0. Step 3, step 2 तब तक करते रहे जब तक remainder 0 नहीं हो जाता, बिल्कुल इस तरह। Step 4, when remainder becomes 0, then the last divisor is the highest common factor of that number. Here 4 is the last divisor which makes the remainder 0. So 4 is the HCF of 132 and 320. Note, name of this trick is Euclid's division algorithm. I know you all know this trick, but in this trick the main thing is the steps. When the question is asked in board like this, find the HCF of A and B by Euclid's division algorithm, then you have to write by step. यदि बोर्ड में यह सवाल आए find the HCF of A and B by Euclid's division algorithm, तो आपको स्टेप वाइज लिखना होगा। Important note, remainder is always lesser than divisor. Remainder हमेशा divisor से छोटा होता। Just look here, in these three pictures, 1, 1, 1 is the remainder and 2, 3, 2 is the divisor, and the remainders is respectively lesser than its divisor. Your first topic, Euclid's division lemma, is finished. We will discuss about the next topic in the next video. I hope you understand. For any query regarding this video, contact us at gmail knowledgehub.aa11@gmail.com. नोट, हम हर टॉपिक को इस शॉर्ट वीडियो में अपलोड करते हैं, तो कुछ छोटी छोटी चीज़ें छूट जाए तो आप हमें दिए गए जीमेल पे संपर्क करके पूछ सकते हैं, क्योंकि वीडियोस की लंबाई छोटी होने के कारण हम हर चीज़ नहीं डिस्कस कर सकते। फिर भी हम पूरी कोशिश करते हैं कि सब कुछ क्लियर हो आपको। धन्यवाद। Thanks for watching. Please do like, share and subscribe Knowledge Hub.